What's up, guys? It's Mysterious Granny and Felicia's up there on the hill. We're out here just checking to see if any mushrooms would happen to be up. I'm not going to hold my breath, though. It's still early. But my old photos showed me I found one on the 7th. We usually start the 14th, but apparently I come down here on the 7th last year and found one. We're at Tarahalla State Park. I don't break my neck here. Let's see. I don't know if we'll have any luck or not for it being so early, but face full of cobwebs. But we're going to check it out and see if we find anything at all. Anything. Salamanders. We play a lot when we come down in the woods too. We got a pretty white flower. Another, oh, there's one there too. In there. I fell down the hill. Two more flowers. Sorry about the nose sniffling. It's like 50 degrees out. It's chilly in the woods. It is so hard to find a mushroom. Once you find one, though, you usually get the eye and can find more. But you can find that first one. Because they blend in with the leaves real bad. I mean, they blend. Trust me. They're very hard to see. Some people can find them like crazy. It's because they already have patches they found in previous years. But hopefully we can find one at least to show you. Alright, it's starting to rain. It's raining nice and hard now. Those right there, briars. Mushrooms like to be inside briars, inside the bushes. You can find them there, around dead logs that are downed like that. Beside them. More flowers. Gotta protect my phone. It's not waterproof.
You need an everything-proof phone.
You ain't kidding me. I think that new phone's only 32 gigabytes too.
Yeah, you need one that's already like 130 or whatever.
Oh, it's got a purple tint to it. Look at that flower. Purple tint to it. It's really light purple. And of course there's a white one right there. Guys, no luck so far. Raining hard. So we're trying to find a spot that Felicia found a bunch in last year, I guess.
I'm telling you, they had to be the first ones up, as big as they were. A lot of them was dried out from the sun, and they were no good.
It's rotted.
Because they had been up for so long.
Have you ever smelled a rotten mushroom?
Not
Spoiled one?
probably.
Oh, it's nasty. No, it's gross. It's gross. You would never forget it if you smelled one. Cobwebs in the face again. Alright guys, I'm going to have to end this because it's raining really hard. So, this is Mysterious Granny. Welcome to our world, friends. Peace out.